Hello and welcome to Santae's Creations. Today I will be showing you all how I create my custom chip bag and water bottle. As you can see, this is the chip bag template. Let's get started. First, we're going to pull in our background. This is my background right here. Holding down the shift key, left click to resize. Hold shift key down. I'm going to place that right there. This is the front of the chip bag right here. Now for video purposes, I'm going to use a clip art of a girl that I had created by AI. You can also find her on my Etsy shop. I will link the information in the description box below. I'll place her right there. But I don't want her on top of the unicorn, so I'm going to go over here and bring her down. And now I'm going to bring her up. And I'm going to hit Control A. And I'm going to go up here and align horizontal center her as well as the unicorn. File place. I'm going to get this unicorn right here. And I hit Control D. Holding down the shift key, resizing. This right here is going on the back side of the chip bag. File place. We're going to grab another unicorn. We're going to hold down the shift key. We're going to put it on the other. This is the back side of the chip bag as well. File place again, and we're going to grab the birthday nutrition facts. Okay, this right here I got from Creative Fabrica, but you can get it off of Google. All you have to do is type in birthday nutrition facts. Make sure it's a PNG file and make sure that it's large so that it would not be blurry. Okay. Okay. I'm going to place that right there. We're going to bring this down some. We're going to bring this over just a little bit. Right there. Now we're going to grab my QR code. Okay, and if you scan this code, it actually takes you to my Etsy shop. So this would be like a good idea to help you promote or get more sales. Okay. And when you're doing this QR code, make sure you are holding down that shift key and pulling from the side. Okay, and now let's add my text. So right here, I want to do impact font. Okay, let me pull up my character panel. I want to do this right here, and I'm going to type happy birthday. Okay, hit Control T. Oh, sorry. Hit Control T. Size it down. And I'm going to go up here to edit. Let's go to type and go to warp text. And I'm going to do an arch. I don't want it that big, that much of an arch, so I'm going to take it down to about 25. Okay, bring this down. Hit Control T, bring it up just a little bit. Bring it in. Okay. Okay. We're going to add text again. And this time I'm going to name her Amaya. Amaya. Okay. We're going to put her on top of that. Now we're going to hit Control T. We're going to size it. Okay. Bring it down some. It's about right there. and hit apply. We're gonna add text again, and we're gonna add the number. We're gonna say that she's 13. Just a minute. Okay, we're gonna say she's 13. Hit Control T. I'm gonna size it up just a little bit. Hit the arrow, hit apply. So now next I'm going to add some more text on this side because of course we want something on this side. So we're gonna say I'm gonna change the font to this font right here. For making my party magical. Okay, so we're gonna change it to that, and we're gonna bring it over some. We're gonna bring the unicorn down just to like the middle. Okay, and I also want to add something down here, so I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna say unicorn treats for you. Okay, I'm gonna hit Control T, and make it smaller. Just gonna bring it down some. Okay, so now that we have all of that, let's go add some blending options to it. So I'm gonna click on happy birthday. I'm gonna left click happy birthday, go to blending options. I'm gonna click on stroke. I'm gonna leave it at 4. I'm gonna leave the size at 4, and I'm gonna change the back to yellow. I'm gonna do this yellow right here. And then I'm gonna do the inner shadow, and I'm gonna do oh no, we're not gonna do inner shadow. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK, and I'm gonna do the same thing for Amaya. Stroke size 4. I'm gonna do yellow. Okay, this 13. That's supposed to be an impact font. I can leave it in that font. I'll just leave it in there. I'm gonna do blending options. I'm gonna do the stroke. And we're gonna make it yellow. Click OK. Okay. Now I want to make this 13 just a little bigger. Hit apply. Okay. So now, okay, I don't want everything purple, so I'm actually going to change the color of my font of this font to white. I want to make it white. Okay. And as well as this one. I want to make all the fonts on the outside of the bed white. Okay. So now I'm gonna add blending options for these as well. And let's see, do I want to make my stroke black or do I want to make it purple? I'm probably gonna do purple. Okay. And I click OK. I'm gonna do the same thing for thank you. I'm gonna left click blending options and make it purple. Make the strokes purple. Purple. Okay. Click OK. I'm gonna go to blending options and I think I'm gonna put yellow. Let's go to stroke. We're gonna make it yellow and click OK. Okay, so okay, the last thing that we can add to this chip bag, we're gonna bring this down. Is we're gonna add text. And right here, we're just gonna add crafted by, okay, and hit okay, bring it down. And Control C. I'm going. Okay, hit apply. And we're gonna add blending options. We're gonna make that purple as well. Add our stroke. We're gonna make it purple. Okay, so there you have it. This is the chip bag. The chip bag would be the base of all your party favors. But at this point, now you just taking pieces from the chip bag and you using it to create your custom water bottle, your custom Capri Sun, Pringles, Hershey's, Rice Krispie treats, whatever you want to make. Your chip bag is the base of all of that. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all so y'all can really see how it's looking. This is very pretty. And as you keep zooming in, okay, I can't move it over. But as you can see, the lines start to become straight. Okay. So now we're gonna make it fit to screen. Okay, so you're done with this. Just go save it to your computer. And I'm gonna save it as unicorn chip bag final or whatever. And you save it as a PSD and hit save. Okay. Okay, so that is it for the chip bag. Now let's get started on the water bottle. Okay, so now here's my water bottle template right here. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to come in here. I just click on the background and I just put it up there where it say water bottle template, and then I drop it right here. And now I will Control T and size it. Okay. So next, so you want everything in the middle right here. So over here, what you can do, you can go over here, you can click happy birthday. Everything that's in the middle, click on happy birthday. The unicorn, you hit shift, hold down shift, the unicorn, the name of Maya, the number 13, and not thank you, but happy birthday, Amaya. Okay, and then you hit Control E. Now you can take this whole section and put it over here. Wait, one more. When we left out the girl. So let's go back. Let's go add the girl. Okay, just hold down the shift key, click the 13. Okay, not the shift key. Hold on. Click the 13, hold the control button key down, and then you hit Control E. Okay, now she's been added. Okay, so we're gonna take all this, we're gonna drop it right here. Now we're gonna resize, Control T, and we're gonna place it right here in the middle. Okay, we're gonna place it right here in the middle. So next we're gonna go get the nutrition facts. So I just click on nutrition facts, take it over there, put it right here. Control T, size it down. Size it down. And you just do it however, to your liking. I'll bring it up a little bit, bring it down, bring it over just a little bit. Okay, and place it right there. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna get to go on here is so I'm gonna click right here, hold down click control, and we're gonna go to the unicorn right here. And we're gonna hit control E. Okay. And I'm gonna take those two and put it right here. Hit control T. I'm gonna size it down. Okay, we're gonna make it a little wider. Then we're gonna hit apply. Okay. Okay, so now let's zoom in on this and see what it looking like. Zoom in and see what it's looking like. Okay, and that is what it's looking like. This is your water bottle design right here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do over here, we're gonna hit control, hold down the shift key and click to the 13 to the background. And hit control E. Now we're gonna duplicate layer. Okay. And now we're gonna just bring that layer to here. We're gonna start down here. And drop it. Then go down. Then we'll bring it down here and drop it. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna duplicate layer again. We're gonna do it 3 times. Take it from here. And we're gonna do it again. Take it from here. Make sure the background is actually matching the size of the box. So what it was, I think my background was just over just a little bit. So it's causing these not to fit like they should, or is this overlapping each other or being too close. So yeah, but if you do that, everything should work out perfectly. So this right here concludes my tutorial. This is the chip bag and this is the water bottles. And with the chip bag is to be printed on brochure paper. And the water bottle is to be printed out with sticker paper. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you.